Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back after about a week off. I was just on a retreat with my young adults ministry at my church, and we went on a little getaway. So after some much needed R&R and some devotion and some time off and some connection, fellowship, I'm back. I'm ready to get started on all of my artwork. Last update that I gave you guys, I was kind of, hoping and expecting to finish commission piece before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's tomorrow. So is it gonna be done? Ain't happening. But I am gonna work on it now. So basically what I'm doing is I just redrew this guy, my little Thor. I drew that one off of kind of like a memory and kind of colored it based off of one picture, because I couldn't find the original picture from Junior Pencil that I was looking for. Finally found it, got the colors right. And I knew this one looked a little off from the picture that I was referencing, but I could not find that picture. So went ahead and found it, went ahead and found what colors I'm gonna be using. This one looks way better than this one. Again, these are like 35, 40-second drawings. My 40-second Hulk. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that Hulk, that Thor, and then I got my Iron Man and Spider-Man, and then you guys have already seen kind of like, I can't really show you much, but the pictures that I've already colored based off of these little guys that I did, my little studies, my little thumbnails. So yeah, I'm getting ready to I'm gonna go ahead and get these colors figured out. I already got my Spider-Man and my Iron Man figured out from a video I've done a while ago. But I finally found the picture, 197 from Junior Pencil. Had to look it up on Google instead of Pinterest. Anyways, with that being said, I'm back. I'm glad to be back. I need to draw some more. And yeah, we're gonna get at it. So with that, I'm out. Peace.